So Maureen, I know that credit score makes up a big component when it comes to mortgages. Tell us a little bit about what makes up a credit score.
Yeah, so there's a lot of factors, John, that make up the credit score. So it could range from the amount of credit that they have, so how many open trade lines that they're showing, the different types of trade lines like installment versus revolving, which means an installment is something like your mortgage loan, your car loan, things that are fixed. And then you have your revolving, which is more like your credit cards and things of that nature. So they're going to look at how many trade lines you have. They're going to look at the types of trade lines that you have. They're going to look at the balances versus the credit limit amounts, because they don't want you to be maxing out all of your cards and things every single month. And then it's also the history. So how long have they actually had credit under their name? So those are some of the main things that are going to determine. And then obviously, are they paying on time?
I hear that's a big component, is whether or not you pay on time.
Correct, right? So you've got, with any bill, 30 days to make that payment, typically, without it negatively affecting your credit. So even if you're getting charged like a late fee with your credit card company, if you're not 30 days late, it's not going to blemish the credit. But if you are, then that's where you're going to start to see that you're 30 days late, or you're 90 days late, or you're 60 days late. And we want to avoid that at all costs.
So at least make that minimum payment.
At least make the minimum payment, exactly. And you're right, because the credit score is one of the major components of what's going to determine what type of loan that they're going to get, what interest rate they're going to get, and how much they're going to be eligible for.
So it all sounds like it comes down to creating good habits when it comes to working with money.
Yes, because if we're going to be giving someone $100,000, $50,000, $200,000, we want to see that they have that ability to borrow and pay back in a timely fashion.
Okay, cool. Thank you so much.
Sure.